What to do when posts are not visible in the Post tab in YouTube app? In my channel's Post tab, I had couple of posts added, yet it is not visible. Let's see how to fix it. First, we need to open YouTube app. Next, click the profile icon in the bottom right of the screen. Next, click the settings gear icon in the top right of the screen. Under Accounts, select the General tab. And in General screen, disable the restricted mode. And that is all it takes to fix the community posts. Now to confirm the post is visible, we need to go back to the Post tab, clicking the back arrow button. Now all the posts are visible in the Posts tab. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.